Let's look at service history. This is where the entire lineage of known services done to your vehicle are organized. From the Vehicle Details page, click on the Service History tab. So since we've just added this vehicle, there isn't a long service history, but I did upload a single service record directly. You'll see there the full synthetic oil and filter change. That was done at Glenwood Springs Ford on October 16th, 2025. And you see the mileage is listed. That's because that was also listed on the service record. Let's take a closer look at the service record detail that was uploaded. To the far right of the record, click the drop-down to expand it. Now you see the breakdown of the service that was completed, including the specific part numbers. You can also open the attachment of the original service record that was uploaded to get this data. If you need to make a manual adjustment to a service record, you can click on the edit or pencil icon next to the service record, and you will be able to see all the detail and make changes as needed. After you've made changes and have saved your service record directly, click the X on the upper right-hand corner to close out the Edit Service Record window.